Hey Fragrance Buddies! If you're interested in selling your goods online, you might be wondering where to start. From building your own website to managing your expenses, it can be super overwhelming. That's why I want to tell you a little bit about Etsy. Etsy is an e-commerce website that makes it easy for creators to sell their handmade, vintage, and upcycled creations. It differs from other online stores like Amazon and Walmart in that it hosts multiple different shops owned and managed by individual creators such as yourself. With a massive user base and continued project growth, you should definitely consider becoming an Etsy seller. Using Etsy is relatively easy and it only takes a couple of simple steps to set up your shop. Getting started is free and all you'll need to jump in is your shop name, your location, and your payment or banking info, so you can get paid and manage your fees. Be prepared with thought-out product photos, descriptions, and pricing for your listing. Do some research beforehand and take a look at some successful Etsy shops that sell similar wares to yours to find out what works on the platform. Just remember to be true to your brand and not copy anyone else. Although launching your Etsy shop is free, each product listing costs 20 cents. This will be taken out of your selected payment method and reoccurs every 4 months, which is the listing period for each product you list. Additional fees are charged when listings are purchased and depend on the pricing you choose for each of these listings. Using Etsy to sell your handmade goods is super simple, as much of the work is already done for you. You don't have to worry about creating or hosting your own web store, and there is a built-in ad system that makes it easy for you to get your products seen across the website and the entire internet. If you want to learn more about selling on Etsy, check out their Help Center for more tips and tricks regarding setup shop, making payments, and getting sales. Let us know about your experience with Etsy below, and we'll see you next time.